What's up, everyone? Now I have a great news to tell you that our airdrop registration is now open. So you got 6 days in total to register for the airdrop. Now you head over to airdrops and then click on register for airdrop and then connect your Twitter. So in this case, I've already connected my Twitter account, so I do not have to connect it again. Now we just go next, and then here you can choose the wallet type you want. In my case, I prefer Solflare, and then I will get extension. And then I add it to Chrome. Add extension. After you downloading the extension, now is your time to connect it. Head over to connect, and then boom, it says verifying. Now you need to verify it. It says success. Now sign in with your wallet. And then approve. Now register airdrop. Now approve again. Register. Now success. Boom. Yeah, that's how you can register the airdrop.